Hi everyone on YouTube. How you guys doing for today? So far we have got 982 subscribers. So guys, thank you so much all for supporting and subscribing to our channel. All the fans out there, I love you guys so much. So guys, this makes you have like, comment, and also hit the subscribe button. Let's say you guys give us about 1,000 subscribers. And also guys, I want to show you something. I made a Lego set. It's my first time. So guys, come on. What do you think about this Lego set? It's from Lego City. So this is like a snowmobile and a wee sail thing. So you guys, if you enjoy this video, just make sure you have like this video and like and subscribe and hit that post, and make sure you hit that post. Make sure you hit the post next bell on. Thank you so much for watching this. Hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, over and out.